It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Wednesday, the 22nd of November. I'm Michael Groff. It's the busiest travel day of the year, but no travel troubles here over the southwestern United States. Mostly sunny sky today. High temperatures up in the mid-70s. We will see an increase in clouds overnight tonight, and by tomorrow, a lot of clouds around. Mostly cloudy sky for your Thanksgiving day, but still, conditions should stay dry and temperatures very pleasant. Now, there is a small chance we could see showers in here on Friday night, and into early Saturday as the weather system passes on through. But overall, the forecast looks dry for a while, but maybe there could be a pattern change way out there as we go further into the forecast. Let's talk about it first. Here's the almanac from yesterday. 79 degrees the afternoon high, 56 with a morning low. 74 and 52 are those averages for this time of year. And as we take a peek outside right now, here at 8:22 a.m., we've got clear sky. We've got 57 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point 31, humidity 37%. It's a light wind, and the barometer is steady. The upper-level weather pattern across the nation shows high pressure continuing here over the southwest, and that's keeping us dry, and temperatures pretty close to seasonal averages. The main storm track still north of us. However, there is a trough developing over the Pacific Northwest and further to the north and west from there that will eventually begin to slide on south and eastward over the next couple of days. Here's the watch warning map. All the activity out here in the west is well to the north of Arizona with some winter weather advisories, some wind advisories, winter storm watches for Idaho and Wyoming, Montana, Utah. But we are pretty quiet right now. Convective outlook for today, there is the marginal risk for severe storms over the outer banks of North Carolina. And here's the precipitation outlook, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, a few hundredths of an inch are possible. A little bit more than that to the north and east of us. Northern eastern Arizona, the higher terrain, the Four Corners region could see anywhere from 1 to 2/10 of an inch. And that's with the system passing by Friday into Saturday. And we'll talk about that and everything else going on right now as we explore the models. Take a look. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure in control over the southwest. We've got an area of low pressure well to the south and east of us across northeastern Mexico. And what it all means for us down at the surface for the rest of the day today. Mostly sunny, beautiful weather, highs mid-70s, warmest desert spots maybe upper 70s to near 80 degrees. Tonight, mostly clear in the evening, increasing clouds after midnight with lows mid-40s to low 50s. Tomorrow, for Thanksgiving Day, looking at the weather around the nation. Well, here in Phoenix, we'll have plenty of mid and high-level clouds around. We'll call it mostly cloudy, but if you have any outdoor activities planned, no precipitation to worry about for tomorrow. Just a lot of clouds around, high temperatures, low to possibly middle 70s. It should just be a delightful day. Any outdoor activities, you want to have brunch, lunch, Thanksgiving dinner outdoors, whatever you're doing, the weather will not be a problem. Now, further to the north of us, yes, some rain and snow, again, for parts of the Great Basin, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, and along the immediate Gulf Coast, there might be a shower someplace, but boy, the weather across most of the country actually looks pretty quiet, and that's good news because obviously we have seen major storms around Thanksgiving before, and this year looks relatively calm. Now, as we go to Friday, partly sunny sky, and we have a weather system that's passing through the Four Corners region. The tail end of this feature moves across Arizona. There's not a lot of moisture with this. However, there's enough dynamics around to kick up a shower or two here over south central Arizona, including Phoenix. The majority of the precipitation should stay over the higher terrain north and east of us, but we can't rule out a shower for the day on Friday or by Friday afternoon. So we'll put in a 10% chance of rain, high temperatures, upper 60s to low 70s. Still a pretty nice day overall. Friday night, Saturday, we'll call for a 20% chance of a shower. But by Saturday afternoon, those rain chances should be out of here. And so high temperatures on Saturday, I'd say mid 60s to about 70, maybe the low 70s. And pretty much the same deal. Upper 60s, low 70s on Sunday. With a partly sunny sky, Monday partly sunny, upper 60s, low 70s. As we go to Tuesday, high temperatures somewhere in the low to maybe middle 70s with mostly sunny sky around as a shortwave ridge tries to build back in, but broad troughing is going to start to become the rule out here as we go to a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 29th, and we've seen different solutions here. Look at that big vortex over eastern Canada, that big trough for the east. But yeah, a short wave coming on through here at some point Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't think that's going to result in any precipitation for us, just some clouds around. High temperatures might fall back a degree or three with highs upper 60s and low 70s. Going out 10 days. This is Friday, the 1st of December. Look at that, a big trough lined up to the west of us, and we see evidence of broad troughing over the East Pacific and coming into the western part of North America here out by about 10 days. There's quite a few members in our model ensembles that indicate that that will happen. If that happens, more unsettled weather could come in here, an increase in clouds, eventually some chances of rain, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. But temperatures should at least at this point be fairly close to seasonal averages. And for early December, that means highs in the mid to upper 60s and those clouds around. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, and this goes out through the 7th, or the 6th of December, rather. And this is off the European ensemble. And the mean, well, it continues to hover pretty close to 0.4 of an inch, between about 0.4 to half an inch. And we have seen, again, the trends in the models have kind of been back and forth on showing more precipitation out there toward 10 days and beyond. And there's a split in our ensemble guidance. Some show nothing, some show a clear upswing in showers and rain chances out there toward about 10 days and into early December. And checking out rainfall for Phoenix, checking out temperatures off the national blend of models. Highs mostly in the 70s, maybe a day or two in the upper 60s, overnight lows 40s and 50s. This is pretty much in line with where we ought to be for this time of year, if not a couple of degrees above average as we go out toward 7 to 10 days. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is back here tomorrow morning. Yes, just in time for Thanksgiving. We'll have a Thanksgiving video for you. And, of course, if you enjoy what we do here, like, subscribe, share, click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get those alerts. You can leave your comments, questions, and suggestions. And if you really like what we do here, you want to support us monetarily like these fine folks have done the last couple of days, you can click on that little thanks icon below the video here on YouTube and make your monetary contribution there. $2, $5, $5,000, whatever you want to contribute, whatever you can. Everything helps to keep these videos going. And I am indebted to you. I am so appreciative. I am humbled by your generosity, and I really do appreciate that. And we could not keep doing these videos were it not for you guys. So thank you. The executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is my one and only, the sweetest of all time, the Asian sensation. And she's the proprietor of sweetchildaz.com.org and the Facebook page of the same name, Sweet Child Arizona. I'm talking about my Michelle, so check her out. And thanks again so much for all of your continued support. And please be safe out there and have yourselves a glorious rest of your Wednesday.